Few days to the presidential election petition tribunal to give their final judgment on the case that is brought to them by Peter Obi of the Labour Party and Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party. Nigerians react. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Good evening. Depending on where you are watching from, welcome to BMS News. In the social media has been trading with a hashtag "Tell us the date, all eyes on the judiciary." Guys, I'll be dropping that news, what people are saying about the judiciary. But before I drop that news, I want to let you know that protesters have hit the streets of Kano State with France flag chanting "No to war, Tinubu is illegitimate president." Guys, watch this before we come back to Bola Ahmed Tinubu and judiciary. Guys, you saw that. These are protesters protesting in Kano State with the flag of France, chanting "No war, no war." Alright guys, let's get back to the judiciary and what people are saying about the judiciary. Please, if this is your first time of watching our video, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and also please don't fail to turn on your notification bell in order to be receiving our updates. The social media has been trending with all eyes on the judiciary. Tension also in the ruling APC as electorate awaits verdict. There won't be anarchy, activists insist. Constitutionally, Supreme Court judgment overrides tribunals. Guys, for the past few days now, the social media has been trading with a post with a hashtag "all eyes on the judiciary." Judiciary, tell us the date. The supporters of Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi have taken over the social media with this hashtag "tell us the date," which is trending on the Twitter. All eyes on the judiciary also trending on the Twitter space. Yet, the Court of Appeals, led by Justice Samani, are still mute to tell Nigerians the final date for the judgment. Guys, recall that a lot of rumors about Justice Odele, the former Supreme Court judge and the former governor of Lagos State, Fashola, how they are trying to influence the judiciary in order to favor Bola Ahmed Tinubu. These men have come out to debunk the news that they don't have any interest in influencing the tribunal judges. Earlier this week, we saw a rumor going around on the Twitter space saying that by next week, the tribunal led by Justice Samani will be passing the judgment. The rumor of passing the judgment on 16th of August 2023 traded so well on the Twitter space. The 16th day of August final judgment came as a result of the last day of the 180 days given to the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal to act. The question now is, will the judges pass this judgment on the 16th of August or before the elapsing date, which is the 16th of August, or will the court prolong this judgment? These are questions begging for answers. A lot of Nigerians have reacted to this development. Guys, let's hear some person's view on this.
We've seen executive suppression. We've seen executive interference. We've seen all manner of accusations, rightly and wrongly, before now. So these are the things that have sent small fears, doubts, mistrusts in the hearts of the people. But I think we should need to give judiciary a chance to prove its independence. I'm sure that is why this clamor on whether judiciary can stand firm or not. So we can't determine now until the judgment is handed down, until the judgment is reviewed based on the facts of the case and the law.
A judge cannot sell out simply because there is high expectation from the public. Rather, the judge will deliver his judgment based on the admissible evidence placed before the court. So, whether there is high expectation, whether there is low expectation, the judge will deliver the judgment according to the evidence and not according to public expectation and perception.
In high-profile cases, there is often the notion that it is the judiciary that comes under trial.
I've never held that view because judiciary is not the one on trial. It's the matter that the parties present before the judiciary that is being tried. Perhaps some people believe that judiciary is on trial because of the expectation and the perception they have. But for us, within the legal cycle, I never hold the view that judiciary is on trial because it's handling a sensitive case. Mind you, every case is sensitive to the litigant.
Everything has been dumped on the laps and doorstep of the judiciary. It means that Nigerians are now relying on the judiciary to do what INEC failed to do. Everyone is relying on the judiciary as the last hope of the common man. Everybody is relying on judiciary to do justice, which is why we only caution that justice must not necessarily be in line with your expectations.
With the countdown to Judgment Day, the social media is now by far the most busiest platform for discourse on what may likely be a landmark decision amidst heightened expectations.
What we read on social media most times are completely different from what the reality in court. So what I will tell the public is expect the judgment according to evidence presented by each of the parties. Nothing more, nothing less.
Stop whipping up sentiment.
Court does not deliver judgment based on sentiment. The court does not deliver judgment based on emotion. It's a court of law, it's not court of emotion, it's not court of sentiment, it's not court of religion.
Justice Haruna Tamani and the 4 other judges that make up the Presidential Election Petition Court panel are arguably amongst the most popular individuals in the country, as the hopes of countless millions of Nigerians now seemingly resting on their shoulders. Godfrey Eshamoge, Arise News.